Ever feel like deleting text on your phone is too slow or too fast? Here's how to adjust the backspace speed on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra so it's just right for you. To do so, open any app where you can type, like when you are opening a note. Tap the text wheel to show up the keyboard. Tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap swipe thoughts and feedback. Tap backspace speed. And then choose one of the three options available here. Slow, it's great if you want precision when erasing, like editing code or fixing small typos. Normal, it's default, it has a balanced speed for most daily typing. Or fast, it's perfect for clearing long messages quickly when you make big mistakes. For example, you can select fast if you are cleaning up a long paragraph you decided not to send. And that's it. Now your backspace speed matches the way you type. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.